everyone, good evening. So this is how I will going to show you on how to add an alternative text no sa ating image. Okay? So please, for example, create post. You have to create a post or select all the posts na available po sa ating blogs. Okay? So click okay, in my case I have this post or blogs. Okay, I'm going to click this one, for example. Okay, so you can put alternative text if meron pong text merong image. I mean, image ang ating blog. So, blog must have at least one image para at least, no? It will help us no optimize our website. Okay. So in my case, I will add one image, for example. Okay. Click add one indent here or text no or elements. Okay, or block. You then click plus in image. Okay, pwede akong mag-select kahit na anong image, no? Okay, let's say I will upload one image. Okay, this is my profile. Okay, as you can see, if you have noticed, no, while uploading, nakikita dito sa option bar yung alternative text. Alternative text, okay? So ang alternative text is just explaining a bit kung ano yung summary or ano yung image na in-insert nyo, no? Okay? So in my case, okay, this is my okay, for example, tiny by nose profile. Sure. Okay. So for example, just like that. No? At least, andito yung keywords, okay, na mag-optimize sa website ko. Okay? So, ayan. So, you can adjust also some of here attributes, ayan, advanced, depende ho sa inyo, no? Okay? So, ayan. All I have to do, this is the most important part, no? Alternative text. If ever na hindi mag-load po yung image ninyo, ito po yung makikita nila. Okay? Tiny Binance profile picture. Ayan. So that's how to put an alternative text po doon sa ating website or yung blog natin. Okay? So I hope it helps. Thank you so much and see you again to the next video.